Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming essentials: Databricks Workspace, Active Cluster, and Azure Data Factory instance. Create or select a service principal or managed identity to authenticate. This secures automation. Once done, capture the workspace URL, target notebook path, and cluster configuration. These are required when you configure the ADF activity. Make sure to assign the service principal the workspace and cluster permissions, because access failures are the most common early blocker. Now build the pipeline. Add a Databricks linked service in ADF and authenticate with the token or managed identity you prepared. Then create a pipeline and drop in the Databricks activity. Set the notebook path and choose whether to use an existing cluster or spin a job cluster. You can pass parameters, mount storage, and set timeout. Use expressions for dynamic paths and test with a small notebook cell to validate connectivity before running full jobs. Finally, trigger the pipeline and watch progress in ADF Monitor. Switch to the Databricks Jobs UI for detailed task logs. You will see start times, cell outputs, and any driver or executor errors. Use those to pinpoint failures. If something goes wrong, first validate the service principal token or managed identity, confirm workspace permissions, and ensure network rules allow ADF to reach Databricks. If logs show library or dependency errors, rebuild the cluster with the correct libraries and rerun.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.